What up, YouTube? This is a quick video here. You know how you always want to remove this reflector back here in the back? So I have this new tool set. It's called SteelMen Pro Diamond Force Low Profile Torx Screwdriver Set. And in there you have a T10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, and 40. And I wanted to try these out to see if these would actually help in removing that reflector without having to go underneath and take out the screws and then lay this down and then pull this out. So what you have is these low profile guys that kind of fit right in here, and that should allow you to screw these guys out. So I'm gonna see if that actually works or not. So hold on one second, be right back. As you can see, we did get it off. This side is real easy. On this bike, well, on my particular bike, this side was a lot harder. The screw was a little bit tighter, so when you got this far, you needed more to get in here and try to unscrew it. So what I did was I got it as far as I could, then I got my raggedy gloves and then used my fingers to twist it out the rest of the way, so that way I could avoid scratching the fender, because you get to a certain point where, if you go back too far, then the back of the SteelMen thing is on the fender and you're gonna scratch your paint. So I was able to use my fingers to twist it out the rest of the way, and then I got everything back in. So this does clean up the back of the bike. It does look better. I am gonna get the wraparound one, so I guess I really could have waited, but I just wanted to see how that tool would work. So sorry I didn't record the whole thing, but you pretty much get the idea. You just stick it in there and you just twist, and that's it. Like I said, this side was easy, this side was harder. So anybody who says this take 5 minutes, I don't know about all that. But like I said, I did get it to a certain point. The screw was really tight, so I just used my finger to twist it out the rest of the way. Then once you twist it out the rest of the way and you take the reflector off, and it has a little bit of thickness to it, then that even gives you a little more play as well. And there's also a lock washer in here, so I did put the lock washer back. So anyway, just wanted to show you that real quick. And that's the SteelMen Pro. Let me go grab it. This thing right here, SteelMen Pro Low Profile Torx Screwdriver Set. And then it also comes with this cool little case. So you just take it, flip it over, and boom, you're done. And put it in your bike so you have some tools in there. So anyway, that's it. Just wanted to show you that. Peace.